So before I actually start, I wanted to apologize because the stuff that I'm talking about in today's video, I know it's like 2 days old or 3 days old, so I'm sorry I couldn't upload it like 2 days ago or yesterday. I'm just in a lot of stuff. I'm in the middle of kind of a vacation. My girlfriend is coming tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. So once again, let me know in the comments what videos you guys want me to do with her. Once again, Apple related. So whether it's like an Apple trivia with her, an Apple questions and answers, whatever you guys want. I'll do a Q&A with her. Let me know in the comments what you guys want me to do with her. So anyways, let's just get started because we have a lot of stuff to talk about. Yo, what is up my Apple World family? And there has been so many things happening surrounding the world of Apple. And starting off, the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 9, or at least that's what we're deciding to call them, they have officially been leaked. So these images right here have been leaked online, which confirms all the rumors that we were hearing about the design. The design of the iPhone 9, or the LCD model, which is actually 6.1 inches, it's actually pretty big compared to the iPhone 10 Plus. I mean, I was just blown away by these images. It just looks so big. Because we're always talking about the iPhone 9, like the LCD model, like the more affordable, the most small one. It's actually pretty big. I was just blown away by the images on how big the phone actually is. The LCD model is probably going to be the most popular iPhone of the year simply because it's affordable. I mean, and in the end, apart from us as Apple fanboys, what people actually want for people that actually aren't too concerning about like the latest tech, they just want a new phone, a pretty good, decent phone. That's what the iPhone 9, the LCD model, is actually going to be. It's going to be a great phone, but of course it won't have all the premium features and all that stuff. It won't have an OLED screen, but of course it's going to be enough for a lot of people. So my prediction on this is that the LCD model will be the most popular phone of the year. Also, here's some photos of the iPhone 10 Plus, which is just going to be such a big phone, which is awesome. I mean, there's so many people that love big phones, so I guess that's the perfect phone for them. It's going to be such a premium iPhone. It's going to have the iPhone 10 design that we all love, but it's just going to be bigger. Like, really bigger. Also, according to 9to5Mac, the iPhone 10 Plus will actually have dual SIM support, such as the Samsung Galaxy S9. I find so many people that have two phones just because they want to have two phone numbers, and I think it's great to have a dual SIM support because like this, they will have one phone with, like this, they can switch between two phone numbers. My uncle, for example, has two phones, a work phone and just a personal phone because he has two phone numbers. So now if he gets the iPhone 10 Plus, he will only have one. You know, I believe it's so annoying to have two phones. So if you just have one, I believe that so many people will love this feature. So we think that we know everything about the 2018 iPhones, but if you actually stop and actually think about it, we only know design-wise what is actually going to happen, and of course that it will have dual SIM support. But trust me, Apple is going to plan something big on the 2018 iPhones. We know that the LCD model, it won't have any new technologies, and all the cool stuff that Apple will bring on the keynote, on the September keynote, it will only be on the OLED models. But trust me, features like portrait mode on the iPhone 7 Plus, 3D touch on the iPhone 6s, all those kind of features that we all want to see on the new on the September keynote, features like that, trust me, there's going to be a bunch of new features on the more premium iPhones. Trust me, there's going to be something big. Now let's talk about iOS 12, and more specifically iOS 12 Beta 5, because Apple has leaked the design of the iPad Pro 10, or whatever Apple is really calling the upcoming iPad Pro, and the iPhone 10 Plus. I'll say that once again, Apple has leaked the iPad Pro 10 and the iPhone 10 Plus. Apple has leaked this icon right here. And you might be thinking, cool, it's literally just an icon. It's literally just a drawing. Not at all. This icon right here confirms everything that we were thinking on the upcoming iPad. Anyways, the icon that was leaked in iOS 12 Beta 5 confirms everything that we were hearing about the iPad Pro 10. That means that there will be no bezels, which is just insane, and the home button will be a thing of the past. It's also very clear that the iPad Pro 10 will of course be having Face ID, so that's pretty much confirmed. What's also confirmed, which is probably what excites me the most, is that there is actually not a notch on the icon. Do you imagine how beautiful this iPad is going to be? I mean, you've probably seen a bunch of renders that literally are exact to the icon. So I just cannot, why do people always come in the middle of hold on. So yeah, the upcoming iPad Pro is probably going to be the most beautiful device ever. I mean, Apple, just take my money.
Are there any left?
There may be one. Okay, it's $500, you have no choice of carrier, the battery can't hold a charge, and the reception isn't very—
Shut up and take my money!
So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for all the most important news of Apple throughout this week. I know there was some other stuff, but of course I'll be covering all that in another video because this video is long on itself. If you guys want to help support the channel and buy some awesome t-shirts, make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Actually, just do all of that stuff right there. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.